So I'm in the process of reinstalling my seats in the W124 Project. Yes, this is the Sportline pattern, and yes, it is a bit loose straight out of the box, but bear in mind, leather shrinks. I have been advised if I want to tighten it up, I could steam it, etc. But honestly, that is not required in my case, because this car is going to live in my shed, where in summertime temperatures get above 50 degrees Celsius. So I'm not going to have to do anything to this leather. It's going to tighten up whether I like it or not. And you are supposed to apply conditioner to it every 3 months. I cannot see myself doing that. But I guess I should. But anyway, I'm sure this is a problem many people have faced. One of the 4 speed nuts in the floor here is a bit messed up, and I can't actually get a bolt in it, so I'm going to have to deal with that. And it's this one here in particular. It just will not take the bolt. All of that orange stuff around it is from imbeciles spilling soft drinks like Coke down the sides of the seats over the years. That's not rust from water, that's surface rust from sugary, life-shortening drinks that I don't drink myself. So yeah, I believe those speed nuts are actually no longer available. So I'll have to find an equivalent if I can't get that one to work again. Hopefully the threads aren't messed up too badly. I'll just take it out and see what I can do with it in the shed. Right, so I've taken that out now. It's just a case of using a screwdriver in the loop at the end of it and sliding it out. There's plenty of room to get that out there. And already I can see what the problem is. That Coca-Cola that has corroded the hell out of everything there must have seized the bolt into the nut, and on removing the crappy original seats, it has spun the nut in here. I should be able to fix this up, clean out the threads, and reform it into the original shape. Let's see what I can do, and I'll come back to you. Okay, that was a really easy fix. I just took the nut out of its carrier and cleaned it out by way of one spare bolt that I had, just running it in and out multiple times until I was able to use a clean bolt and put it in by finger effort. So that has cleaned all of the rubbish out of the threads, and I can just reassemble this and put it back in. No doubt this is probably illegal, and you should probably find a speed nut or a new one and fit that instead. But I don't intend to crash this car, so hopefully I'll never have to rely on this preventing me from going through the windscreen. So that is now reinstalled. Just verify that that works before going through the back-breaking effort of bringing the seat in here. And yes, that's going to be just fine. And the others, well, I know they worked because I had the seat bolted in with 3 bolts when I was test driving this car around. I've known about this issue for some time, and I decided not to bother about it until today, when I was going to reinstall my Sportline seats. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that's both front seats installed and plugged in now, and all movements actually test okay on both of those front ones. You don't need the key in the ignition as long as the door is open to operate these on my Australian car anyway. I don't know about the rest of the world. I would be lying if I said I was 100% happy with the fitment of the leather, but hopefully that gets better with time and shrinkage. Unfortunately, the weather is not to my liking today, so I'm not going to be doing much as far as driving the 124 around.